How do laws ensure social justice? It was close to midnight on the 2nd of April 1984. A highly poisonous gas started leaking from a pesticide factory in Bhopal, owned by Union Carbide, an American company. People woke up in the middle of the night coughing. They heard shouts of "Run! Run!" It was the beginning of the world's worst industrial tragedy. Within 3 days, 8,000 people were dead and many maimed for life. Most of them poor. But this was not an accident. It was the result of a company having ignored safety standards to cut costs. This incident shows why it's critical for the government to frame laws to ensure that companies follow adequate safety measures, protect its employees' lives, and pay them adequate wages and benefits to help them live a life of dignity. Private companies and businesses cannot survive if they do not make enough profits. Therefore, it is possible that some companies might deny workers their rights and not pay them adequately to save on costs and increase profits. Just like citizens have certain rights in a nation, workers have their rights too, such as the right to fair wages and decent work conditions. To ensure that workers are paid fairly, the Indian government has passed the Minimum Wages Act. The law states that employers should pay their workers the minimum wages, which are revised upwards because of inflation every few years. To ensure justice, laws are framed to protect not only workers' interests but also those of marginalized communities. For example, the Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act is intended to protect these communities from systematic discrimination. Most of these laws have their roots in the fundamental rights guaranteed by the Indian Constitution, such as the right to life and right against exploitation. Making, enforcing, and upholding these laws are essential to ensure social justice for workers and disadvantaged groups. But what will happen if the government does not enforce these laws properly? Besides exploitation of workers and marginalized groups, it could lead to environmental pollution, loss of life, destruction of public property, and more. The Bhopal gas tragedy is a case in point, a tragedy that could have been prevented if India had better laws to protect the safety of its workers and the environment.